We are going to test the solutions of EBENTO in residential buildings in Greece, Spain, Estonia, and in UK. We are going to validate the tools not only in one building, but in more than one in each pilot. We are going to test the energy performance contract tool, giving the users the opportunity to manage their contracts through the platform, to simulate the different buildings that we have with vivid information, trying to make different scenarios and being as accurate as possible. And we are going to monitor all the relevant information to test that the simulations were accurate enough and also to verify that the contracts are running in a correct way. Also, I want to emphasize that the pilots are doing a really good job in engaging the users. As I mentioned, Evento has residential buildings, meaning that we need to show the users the really effects of the renovation in their house, in their comfort, and also in their safety.